Say something, we're going on the tractor ride.
Hold on, I'll keep this one out, shall I?
Okay. What do you think of that? All the what do you think of that? Me seeing the sheep?
Lots of sheep.
Oh, we seem to be moving. Thank you, Mummy. You jokes. There's the tractor. He's about to move any second now.
You're telling me it's too dark, is it? Get a picture of the man.
Okay, yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, but it's 3 years old now.
A bit stuck.
Yeah. And there's a little tractor. Bye, everybody. Wow.
Dripping down there.
Dripping down there. Watch out for the wet.
You're getting wet there?
Yeah, not too
Right. Just where it's rain, it's going off the roof. You're right.
Yeah, not too bad. And that is exciting, isn't it?
Good.
Tractor ride. Bowls green, now down your bowls. School hill,
Big cottages.
Yeah, we'll have to do something. Tractor ride. How about it? You excited? It's lovely.
Like I said, tripping all over it, darling. And your camera, look, soaking wet.
Oh yeah, oops.
Just a small little piece of information on Saturday in Swindon. Next Saturday, then it's Park Lane Car Park, and that's an Easter egg trail. So if you're not doing anything on the next Saturday
Easter egg
morning,
trail.
you pop the children down there to that mummy. Lots of fun and excitement, full of adventure.
What here?
Easter egg trail on Saturday.
Oh wow.
Swindon.
Saturday morning from 10 o'clock to 1.
Ooh, going up here.
Yeah.
Hey, perfect.
Wow.
You're getting to Swindon Estate, Mill Lane. There used to be a windmill up here, which is why it was called Mill Lane.
There used to be a windmill up here.
Swindon Estate,
The windmill.
where we just entered, managed by the National Trust, and then the
More sheep.
up here.
More sheep.
It's about 4 miles long, that's north to south. East to west, it's 1.5 to 2 miles wide. That is where Shepherd brings his flock of sheep up here. When they come out the lambing sheds.
More sheep.
And they would spend their summer months up here. There's these on the left-hand side, some of them are 3 weeks old tomorrow.
3 weeks old tomorrow.
Others are 3 days old.
Ah.
Just arrived from the lambing pens. So when they get their stronger legs, they hop and skip and dance and run round these fields as if you do when you're in your nursery school. When mummy lies down, 10 minutes rest, they climb all over her, used to the bouncy castle.
Do you hear that? They climb all over the mummy when she's lying down and use her as a bouncy castle.
Yeah. Okay, we did that to you, didn't we?
Yes.
That looks almost like a rainbow over there.
Where? In the sky?
Sky.
Oh yeah, it is actually, isn't it? It looks like an arc.
Yeah,
It's a coloured arc. Oh, it is a rainbow.
I think so.
This is an old driver's road we're on, and this will take you way up on
there's a rainbow over there.
Yeah, it is a
Where
rainbow.
you've got to meet up with the Southdown Way, and that will take you to Winchester over Grimston, or you turn right on the Daisy, and then you go to Eastbourne, and it keeps up
East.
Southdown Way.
Oh, wow.
Follow the South Downs Way, it goes right along to East.
There's your car right, way over to the left. Looks like half a rainbow over there to the right of the folly. But anyway, cast you on the thick building that we have on the top of the grassy slope down the edge of the forest.
It's a folly.
That's Linden Folly.
Oh, wow.
The sun just peeling
Linden
through.
Folly.
Oh, funny, yeah.
Giving it a lovely look through this morning. And then had the birthday this year, just 200 years ago in 1812, they laid the foundations. Wonderful place to go and have a picnic, or just go up there and admire the view. Because it's managed by the National Trust, there's no entry, you're welcome to walk up there, there's several paths leading up to the village on the way. All we ask is you to shut the gate, park cars properly, second, keep the dogs off the lead, and also take a litter home. There's something that was 200 years old, the National Park, which we're in there.
Nearly as old as that.
And here we were part of it. You can understand why they want to preserve it.
Wow, that's pretty.
Work together.
Takes a touch for a nice view.
Trying, but it's difficult because it's moving a lot.
Yeah. It's quite tricky though, he's trying to go out.
If you look in the valley down below, you'll just see the yellow flower coming in there with the tram lines across the field. That means the bees are there, pollinating everything again this morning when it gets a little warmer. They're taking their pollen back to the
Doesn't matter if you
beehive.
can't take it.
That's all seed rape.
That's right.
And that's produced to make engine oil for your car. But we do wait until about July, August time when it's ready to harvest. The big combines come along and harvest it. It's a little tiny black seed, no bigger than a pinhead, but there's billions of them. And they go off to the big mills, big rollers, they're squashed, and then comes a drop of oil. They put some additives to it, and that makes the engine oil that we use in our cars today. They're on their return journey and back on the Drovers Road, and the shepherds would have come off the hills many years ago, take their flocks down this way by the village pond so the animals can drink, and they would have ended up in Farnham railway station where this track leads to.
Railway station.
Take this track goes to Barnum railway station. They put the sheep on the train there. Take them to market.
Oh.
For their stock and what they would have